Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me the wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shri Singh and I'm class 12 CS from Christ Academy Junior College. The stars don't look bigger, but they do look brighter. I am here to present our application developed on Topic Planisphere. What is Planisphere? Today we are going to take a look at something called planisphere. Sometimes it is also called as star wheel. This planisphere is a wonderful little visual aid to help you to get to know about the night sky and to identify the constellation. When we rotate the disc and adjust it, it shows us the star available at a time and date. How does a planisphere work? This planisphere is a flat sphere. It has a map of the sky. When we want to see stars or constellations in the sky, we can adjust it by setting date and time. When we turn the map, it shows the motion of the sky and the visible stars and constellations, complete with rising and setting at the horizon edges. How is it useful? Planisphere is a star chart that helps us to show the location of star and constellation in the sky for that specific date and time. Why is the planisphere in a circular shape? A planisphere has a circular star chart. This planisphere has a horizon which shows the direction, also overlaid by celestial equator and ecliptic. By adjusting all this, we are more clearly understanding the star working position in the night sky. When was planisphere invented? Around 200 BC. Initially developed around 200 BC as a metallic planispheric astrolabe, the modern day planisphere is usually made of card or plastic discs with a rotating oval horizon to reveal the stars visible overhead. The app shows the sky for a user-defined point of time and an arbitrary location of the Earth, Sun and Moon, over 9,000 stars, constellation lines, constellation names in English, Latin or in abbreviations. Constellation boundaries, all the planets of the solar system, equatorial grid, horizon, ecliptic, celestial equator. This app is developed fully responsive, user-friendly and enjoyable for everyone from younger to elder. So now moving to the app. The logo of the app looks like this with the name Planisphere. When you open the app, there's first page. There's a title of the app above. When we open menu option, it displays 7 menus. First display menu, horizon, celestial equator, equatorial grid, constellation lines, constellation boundaries, constellation names, solar system with names, star with names. Okay. When we choose display option, there are many options available as you can see here. First is horizon. Then we have to click on OK. The only horizon will be seen as you can see here: north, east, west and south. Now we will disable the horizon and enable the celestial equator. Then we will click on OK. Then we will see the celestial equator. This is in the blue color as you can see here. The third option is ecliptic. We will enable it. Then we will click on OK. Then only the ecliptic is will be seen as you can see here. It is in red color, this one. The fourth option is azimuthal grid. We will enable it and then we will click on OK. It shows the angular measurement as you can see here: 270 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree, 130 degree and so on. The fifth option is equatorial grid. We will enable it and click on OK. Then this is the equatorial grid as you can see here. It shows the projection of the latitude and longitude, 30 degree, 60 degree and so on. The sixth option is constellation lines. The seventh option is constellation boundaries and the eighth option is constellation names. We will enable 3 of them. Then click on OK. All 3 will be visible as you can see here. The black color lines are boundaries and the blue color are the lines of the constellations. These are the some names as you can see here, like Cepheus, Andromeda, Cygnus, Lyra, and so on. The 9th and the 10th options are solar system and with names. We will enable both and click on OK. All will be visible as you can see here, like Uranus, Neptune, Jupiter, Saturn, and etc. The 11th and 12th options are stars and star names. We will enable both of them and we will click on OK. All the stars and the names will be available as you can see here, like Vega, Deneb, Hamel, etc. and so on. If suppose we have to see 2-3 options together, like horizon, equatorial grid, solar system with names, then enable all of them together, then click on OK. The things we have chosen will be shown as you can see here: Sun, Mars, Mercury, with latitude and longitudes, with horizon. Second option is date or time. The menu item date or time sets the date and time used to draw the star chart. The star chart is either continuously updated with the current time or shows the sky for a specific fixed point in time. The third option is magnitude. As you can see, stars are of different brightness. The maximum magnitude of the star means the higher the magnitude, the brighter the stars are. The lower we go, we need magnification to see the stars. 2 is the naked eye limit. The fourth option is location. The menu item location sets the location of the observer on Earth. The location source is either fixed location or GPS. When you choose fixed location, you have to enter latitude and longitude. The north latitude and the east longitude are positive. When you choose GPS as the location source, the app tries to take the location from the operating system, and of course, you have to turn on the location of the device, and the app needs the permission to use the device location. As long as the GPS status did not turn to received, the app uses the last known location. The fifth option is theme. There are 3 themes available as you can see. First light, second dark, third night. The 6th option is setting and the 7th option is about. Everything is given in the about section about the app. Now we will see how it looks in the mobile. The star chart can be zoomed in and out with the 2 fingers. A single tap shows or hides the toolbar. Long press shows additional information of the selected celestial object.